Hello viewers, welcome to my channel iTech Solution. Today I will discuss one short videos on MS Excel. Here one window is opened, but it is not a file or not a document. It is application window of MS Excel. Whenever you close all the files, active files, open files, it will show the window open, but it is inactive window. So let us open a file. This is, and then you click on office button here, and if you close it, then it will not exit the Excel, but it will close the active file, because you can open another file from this window. Yes, so it is the basic thing I have communicated to you. Next the thing is the type of views I have already discussed, but I remind you again. Here if I open a file, you see the view options opened for 5 open type views: full screen, custom view, page break preview, page layout, normal. The definition itself is there. You see here, I point you and it will discuss here. It shows view the document in normal view. That is, it is a normal page where the simple break line is there, nothing more, but you can type and execute all formulas here. Next type of view is page layout view. So suppose page layout is here. Explained here, view the document as it will appear on the printed page. Whenever a page is printed, it will supposed to look at this format. Use the view to see where pages begin and end, and to view any header and footer on the pages. So here's header is here, and footer will be end of the page. Suppose, yes, this is the footer option is here. Here I have to add the footer, then it will so you go to the print title and header and footer. Here custom footer, suppose. Okay, I try to add the footer here. Yes, to here, this is the footer option. This is the footer. So next view here is page break preview. This description is here. You see what will describe here. I will type something, then it will create the view of page break preview. It says view a preview of where pages will break when the document is when this document is printed. That is, page break is where will be the page break. Here the line is here, the thin line is the page break. Here you see. Okay, so there is the pages here, because the break is in the on the straight way. If I will increase the page here, text here, I will go beyond the pages. I'll write and do the increase of the width of the page. You see here, page number is this way. This way. So this is the definition of page break preview. Next is custom view. Custom view, that you can save a set of display and print settings as a custom view. Once you have saved the current view, you can apply it to the document by selecting it from the list of available custom view. That is, many position of a file can be saved as custom view. Suppose this view can be saved as add preview. Okay, and if I view it normal and then add as custom view and name it as normal view, so it will set as custom view tab normal. So I go to the custom view and preview. I will select preview to show. What will happen here? I will directly go to the page break preview. So this is called custom view. Whenever you select and save the view, it will save as custom view. Next is full screen. It is understood that view the document in full screen mode. That is, anything typed here want to see in the screen, full screen of the file, of the desktop, then it will show you view full screen. It is called full screen. And just press escape key, it will return to the options. So thank you very much for viewing this video. I think it will broaden your concept of views of different types. Thank you very much.